Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to unsubscribe from the Cleaner Guru app on your iPhone and cancel the subscription quickly. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID and then select Subscriptions. Scroll through your active subscriptions until you find Cleaner Guru. Tap on it to see the subscription details, including renewal date and plan type. Next, tap Cancel Subscription. You may be asked to confirm your choice. Select Confirm to complete the cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period, but you won't be charged again. If you don't see Cleaner Guru in your subscriptions, make sure you're signed in with the Apple ID that was used to purchase it. Sometimes subscriptions are linked to a different account. For added security, check your email for a confirmation from Apple that the subscription has been canceled. This ensures you won't be billed again in the future. By following these steps, you can quickly unsubscribe from the Cleaner Guru app on your iPhone and stop recurring charges. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.